Hi guys, welcome to another video. So there is a train coming and I'm filming at my window at my front door. Oh, by the way, if you hear those talking in the background, it's just my brother's playing. So yeah, and don't worry about the dog.
She looked like stone.
So yeah, oh. There it is. There she is. There's the prison. No way. No way. That's insane. Dude. That's insane.
Work out. Face right.
Okay, so this is the first time I filmed something on YouTube. Well, not the first time. First time I filmed a train on YouTube. So yeah, bye. See you in the next video.